Hi guys, the season is here and we need our Vulcanus grill. Let's check it out and clean it before we use it. Okay, you can see there's plenty of ash, the charcoal and dust and everything burned on the top. Okay guys, let's show what we need. All the tools, I have a ash bucket, so there is a turner, the working gloves, some ash shovel and a special hook for remove the heat stones. That's it. Okay, so first we're gonna remove the main part of the ash with ash shovel. After that we will clean it. Here we go, the central part of the heat stones. First we use the hook for removing the metal part. And after that the heat stone. And guys, there's the hidden ashtray which we're using for cleaning it there. So guys, next steps is removing the heat stones. Before you start in that, just find your soft space to put the heat stone on, because it's a very important step. If you put the heat stones on the something hard, you can break it easily. And now I will show you the reason why we do it. Because if you don't have the properly clean this edge and the channel, the drain system doesn't work properly. Of course, repeat it with all the 4 stones. And the last step, it's cleaning the draining channels inside the curtain body of the grill. As a last step, you put the heat stones carefully in the firebox. And it's ready to heat it up.